Hey there, fellow wanderers. Welcome to the Wanderlust Wonders, your go-to place for hidden gems, epic journeys, and unforgettable travel stories from around the world. Let's explore together. Paris. The name alone conjures magic. It's not just a city, it's a living dream, a stage set for romance. Arriving here, you and your partner become the stars of your own love story. The air is alive with history, art, and the soft hum of cafe conversations. Every street corner offers a new memory. Every moment feels cinematic. Paris is in the details. Morning light on balconies, the scent of fresh croissants, the clink of glasses. Here you slow down, savoring each moment. Whether it's watching a street artist or strolling the Seine hand in hand, the city invites you to be present, to connect with its beauty and with each other. Even the simplest acts like a walk become grand adventures. As Audrey Hepburn said, Paris is always a good idea. The city strips away the noise, leaving only what matters: romance, poetry, and joy, and getting lost together. This isn't just a guide, it's an invitation to write your own love story. So, take a breath, grab your favorite person's hand, and let's begin. Our journey starts today under a welcoming Parisian sky. Let the romance unfold, one cobblestone street at a time. Day one begins in Le Marais, where medieval charm meets modern chic. We wander narrow streets, discovering hidden courtyards and irresistible bakeries. The real Paris is alive here, especially on Rue de Rosier, heart of the Jewish quarter. We share a warm falafel pita, laughing as tahini drips a perfectly imperfect moment. Marveling at grand hotels particular, we imagine the lavish lives once lived behind ornate gates. Le Marais is a living museum, every corner holding a piece of history. As afternoon sunlight glows, we gather picnic supplies, creamy brie, crusty baguette, crisp rose. With our basket full, we head to Place de Vosges, anticipation building, afternoon bear. This is what travel is about, simple joys shared in an extraordinary place. A romantic afternoon awaits in one of Paris's most beautiful squares. Place de Vosges is a masterpiece. Red brick townhouses, elegant arcades, and lush lawns. We picnic under a linden tree, toasting to our adventure. Afterward, we stroll to the Seine and the Pont des Arts, where romance lingers even without the love locks. Leaning on the railing, we watch boats drift by, the city unfolding around us. As dusk falls, we board a sunset Seine cruise. Paris transforms, monuments glow, city lights twinkle on the water. We glide past Notre Dame and the Musée d'Orsay, each landmark more magical by night. The grand finale, the Eiffel Tower, sparkling as the sun sets for 5 minutes. It shimmers, a beacon of wonder. We share a kiss under its glittering gaze, a perfect end to a perfect day. Inside a tip, the Eiffel Tower sparkles every hour after sunset. It's a sight you'll never forget. Paris at night is pure magic, the city's promised romance always. Day 2 begins in Montmartre, a hilltop village of artists and dreamers. We climb cobblestone streets to Place du Tertre, where painters capture Paris on canvas. The air is alive with creativity. A short walk brings us to Sacré-Cœur, its white domes floating above the city. We sit on the steps, Paris sprawling at our feet, a breathtaking view to share. Brunch follows at a cozy Café Croque Monsieur and Café au lait, the perfect fuel. We linger, watching the world go by, feeling at home in this bohemian corner. Next, we stroll the Tuileries Garden, manicured lawns, elegant statues, grand fountains. We pull up green chairs by the pond, watching children sail miniature boats. It's a classic Parisian pastime, simple and serene. These are the moments that make Paris unforgettable. The Tuileries lead us to the Musée de l'Orangerie, home to Monet's water lilies. Inside, we're surrounded by color and light, an immersive, emotional experience. We sit together, lost in Monet's dreamlike world. Art here isn't just seen, it's felt. Inspired, we prepare for a special evening. Dinner awaits on a rooftop terrace as the sun sets over Paris. The city glitters below. Eiffel Tower, Arc de Triomphe, Sacré-Cœur. Each course is delicious, but the view steals the show. As night falls, the Eiffel Tower sparkles again. We toast with champagne, savoring the magic of Paris and each other. This is romance at its peak, a memory for a lifetime. Paris at sunset is pure poetry. The city lights become our stars. Our final day takes us to Versailles, a world of royal grandeur. The palace's golden gates and vast gardens are breathtaking. We wander through manicured hedges, discover hidden fountains, and row a boat on the Grand Canal. Inside, the state apartments dazzle with opulence. The Hall of Mirrors is the highlight. Sunlight, chandeliers, and history all around. It's easy to imagine royal balls and historic moments unfolding here. Versailles is more than a palace. It's a symbol of ambition and artistry. We take our time, absorbing the atmosphere and the weight of history. The experience is humbling, a reminder of human creativity. Versailles leaves us in awe. Its beauty lingers long after we leave. Back in Paris, we seek out a signature scent in Saint-Germain-des-Prés. In a chic perfumery, we discover fragrances that will forever remind us of this trip. Next, we indulge in legendary hot chocolate at Angelina. Rich, velvety, and unforgettable. Sinking into plush chairs, we savor every decadent sip. As evening falls, we return to the Champ Domingue for one last rendezvous with the Eiffel Tower. We lie on the grass, watching the city lights come alive. The tower sparkles, a dazzling farewell. We share a final Parisian kiss, memories swirling around us. There's a sweet melancholy in saying goodbye, but gratitude fills our hearts. Paris enchants, then makes it hard to leave. But this isn't goodbye, it's au revoir. The tower's sparkle is a promise. Paris will wait for us. Until next time, the magic endures. Our Parisian adventure ends, but the feeling lingers. Paris is more than a city. It's a feeling, a collection of unforgettable moments. We found romance, wonder, and a deeper connection. The memories, picnics, boat rides, breathtaking views, Monet's art, and sparkling nights become our own love story. Paris makes you the main character in a film you'll replay forever. We leave with more than souvenirs. We leave inspired. Travel, especially together, opens new perspectives and strengthens bonds. As Proust wrote, discovery is about seeing with new eyes. This isn't an ending, but an inspiration to keep seeking beauty and adventure. Wherever you are, create your own magic. And if you can, go to Paris. It will be waiting. Au revoir, Paris. Je t'aime. If you enjoyed the adventure, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. New journeys await every week on the Wanderlust Wonders.